The United States will send more high-mobility artillery rocket systems, HIMARS, to Ukraine as part of a new $400 million weapons package, a senior defense official has said. This will help Kyiv confront Russian scorched earth tactics that employ heavy artillery bombardments. It's well known that Ukraine's artillery arsenal is outranged and outnumbered by Russia. Speaking to reporters on condition of anonymity, the official said the new U.S. arms package would include 4 additional HIMARS and more ammunition, bringing the total number of these systems to 12. As per reports, the weapon has even won grudging respect from some Russians for its accuracy and destructive power. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how American-made M142 HIMARS is making a mark in Ukraine. Let's get into the details. This video is sponsored by NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that allows you to protect your privacy and identity online. It works on macOS, iOS, Windows, and Android devices with more than 5,400 servers in 60 countries available. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that can protect your privacy by preventing access to your internet traffic and enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Unlike many others, NordVPN now has a new threat protection feature that prevents malware from getting on users' devices and blocks trackers, intrusive and malicious ads, and harmful websites. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. Also, NordVPN has launched an ultimate security package that gives you access to their VPN, password manager, and encrypted file storage. With the code DEFENSE, you can get a huge discount at the checkout for the 2-year plan. The M142 High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, HIMARS, is a light multiple rocket launcher developed in the late 1990s for the United States Army, mounted on a standard Army M1140 truck frame. The system has seen many upgrades, including a rework of its targeting software for better accuracy. HIMARS can cover a distance of 300 miles or 480 kilometers on a single refueling and can travel with a maximum speed of 85 kilometers per hour or 52 miles per hour. It can be reloaded in about a minute with only a small crew. The use of a wheeled chassis, rapid deployment, and dismantling of the complex digital fire control allows HIMARS to use hit-and-run tactic. It has one universal pod that can accommodate 6 unguided or guided missiles of 227mm caliber or 1 MGM-140 Army TACMS with a diameter of 610mm. M142 HIMARS is able to fire a wide range of rockets and missiles. 1. The vehicle can fire standard rockets at a maximum range of 28 miles or 45 kilometers. 2. With GMLRS or guided MLRS, the systems can reach a land target at a maximum range of 46 miles or 75 kilometers. GMLRS integrates a 200-kilogram or 200-pound unitary warhead. Guided MLRS rockets have a reliability rating exceeding 98%. All 6 GMLRS can be fired in under a minute. 3. It can strike 186 miles or 300 kilometers with the MGM-140 Army Tactical Missile System, or Army TACMS. The Army TACMS weighs 1,670 kilograms or 3,680 pounds, develops a maximum speed of Mach 3, and has integrated a system for GPS-aided inertial navigation guidance. It's likely to be the most potent armament for the system, since the longer-range precision strike missile is still under development. According to reports, Ukraine has been provided with standard rockets as well as GMLRS, but not Army TACMS. The U.S. started providing the key precision rocket weapon system to Ukraine last month, after receiving assurances from Kyiv that it would not use them to hit targets inside Russian territory. On June 23rd, Ukraine's defense minister, Alexei Reznikov, announced that the first American HIMARS had arrived, promising in a Twitter message, "Summer will be hot for Russian occupiers," and the last one for some of them. As Russia moves more and more inside Ukraine, its supply lines are getting stretched, as well as exposed. This is where HIMARS can be lethal, since it can hit a target beyond the howitzer range. A senior Pentagon official said this week that the Ukrainians appear to be employing the HIMARS with deadly effectiveness, and that additional systems would be deployed in the near future. As per some report, given the limited number of HIMARS currently available, Ukrainian soldiers are using their new weapon judiciously. They're using the system against high-value targets, such as ammunition depots or command posts, which are critical to Russia's ability to sustain the fight. On some occasions, HIMARS has been used to take out Russian artillery systems too. Ukrainian forces are also trying to keep it well away from the front lines to protect them. Earlier, Undersecretary of Defense for Policy Colin Khan had told reporters at a Pentagon briefing that HIMARS was Ukraine's top priority request from the U.S., since it would provide that country's forces with greater range and precision than artillery previously sent. Russia had expressed its concern after Colin Khan indicated that HIMARS would be sent. Russian ambassador to the U.S., Anatoly Antonov, had said, as per TASS news agency, "The fact that a high-ranking Pentagon official sees the possibility of broadening supplies of long-range systems causes extreme concern. This remark may be viewed as Washington's intention to move towards further escalation." The latest reports indicate that 8 more HIMARS should be in Ukraine by mid-July. The first group of 60 Ukrainian soldiers trained to use them are now firing the guided rockets in battle, and a second group is undergoing training in Germany. It's evident that HIMARS is being seen as a potential game-changer by both sides.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.